How to play with bots in Valorant. Now in this quick video, I'll show you additional information where you can play bots on Valorant. Now, bot match can be accessible on in-game. Just have to pause it and switch the game type. Now from there, you should be able to add bots from, if you're going to be using console, then you can access it by using the version of V8.11 and then V9.2 for PC. This mod acts as a 5v5 game against AI and specific maps, allowing for practice and can be accessed in the game mode menu. Now, the other option that you can do is from the practice range. You just need to access it and then choose the specific bot behavior, the speed, the bot armor, or if you would like to have it as an infinite life. So those are just the things that you can do for you to be able to play with bot in Valorant.